Hey folks, let's look at how Memex works together with Neon.tech. So first, jumping in, if you're not familiar, what is Neon.tech? So Memex has LLM search capabilities built in alongside all of its building capabilities. So if you have questions like this, you can just search inline as you're building. So Neon is serverless Postgres. It's got some cool things like database branching. You can also scale down to 0. So if you're not using it, you're not getting charged, which is a great feature. Cool. So how can we use Neon in Memex? In Memex, we have secrets management, which I love because it allows us to connect Memex from your desktop to anywhere. Let's try using Neon here. I asked it to work with the classic DVD rentals dataset that's often used for testing PostgreSQL. It starts off first here, trying to do this, but then says, oh, I don't have the necessary dependencies installed. So it sets up the environment. It's using UV, great choice. So it looks like it ran into an issue here, but then it searched for how to resolve it and now came up with a solution. Okay. So now it's telling me I need to provide some information. I'm going to ask it if it can use the Neon CLI for that. Okay, so you can see here, it's asking me permission. I'm authorizing it. Cool, let's close that. So now Neon Memex should be able to connect. It's trying to create a database for the DVD rental data set. It does that, and then it has an issue. Overlapping flush calls detected. I don't know what that means, but it runs into this error. And now Memex will look at that and then iterate. It'll try something different, try to correct its error. Now it's working on loading the data into the database. Okay, so the database has been loaded successfully. And now it's creating a script to analyze it. So it's connecting via the Postgres connector library, then using Pandas and Matplotlib for the analysis. The visualization, we'll wait for it to render. Going. Ran into an issue, so it'll have to correct that, but it should do it on its own. Okay, there we go. Cool. So now we can start getting some analyses. It went ahead and did some very simple ones. A number of rentals by movie, and then also revenue by category. Cool. Let's dive a little bit deeper. Create an interactive Streamlit dashboard. Cool. So first created the dashboard code, set up the environment. Now it's loaded this Streamlit dashboard. Let's just expand it to our screen here. Nice. Now we have something that's a little bit more interactive, all based on the data set that we have in Neon. And the beautiful thing is, other than having to set up the API key and authorize the connection, we haven't had to do anything. The agent did everything for us. It loaded the data, created all of the logic to connect to it, and here we go. We already have ourselves a dashboard on top of it. Pretty cool. Thanks, folks. That's it for this demo. Neon has a ton of great features. Its database branching is powerful for agent-native development. And in this demo with Memex, the main aspect of Neon we see is its ease of use. Getting started with a data warehouse, a lakehouse, or another hosted transactional database can be painstaking. But it's really, really smooth with Neon. If you want to try out Memex, we just released a beta last week, and we'd love to see what you build with it. Learn more and get started free at memex.tech. Thanks so much.